In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload your first contract to Pandadoc. To get started, make sure you are logged into Pandadoc and you are on your main dashboard. We are going to upload a document, assign it to a signer, add the fields they need to complete, and then send it out by email. First, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the green plus Create button. This is where Pandadoc lets you start a new document workflow. When the menu opens, select Upload. Now choose the file you want to send. Pandadoc accepts common formats like PDF, Word documents, and image files. After you select your file, give it a moment to upload and open in the editor. Next, look to the right side of the screen and click Add Recipients. This step is important because Pandadoc needs to know who is responsible for signing or filling out the document before you place fields. Enter the signer's name and email address carefully. Small typing errors can prevent the recipient from receiving the document or completing it correctly, so it is worth double-checking before moving on. Once your recipient is added, you will place the signature. On the right sidebar, find the signature field. Click and drag it onto the document, then drop it exactly where you want the signer to sign. Take a second to align it neatly with the signature line or the appropriate area on the page. Clean placement helps the signer understand what to do right away. After the signature field is in place, add any other fields the document needs. For example, you might drag in a date field so the signing date is captured, or a text field for information the signer must type in. As you place these fields, make sure they are positioned clearly and do not overlap any important text in the document. When everything looks correct, go to the top right and click Send. To finish, choose Send via email. This will deliver the document to your recipient, so they can open it, complete the required fields, and sign. That covers everything you need to know.